Hey viewers, welcome to our channel Textbook Reading. So today we are reading Physics Class 9 Chapter 1 Matter Around Us. This is part 3 of Chapter 1 Matter Around Us. In each part we are reading 2 pages. So we will take our physics textbook first. So here is our physics textbook. Let's open it to page number 5. Guys, we are starting from page number 4 because in previous video we didn't read this activity as it is the end of the page. So let's start. Activity 5. Observing the diffusion of liquids. Take 50 ml round bottom flask with 2/3 water in it. Use a dropper and put a few drops of blue or red ink or potassium permanganate solution slowly along the side of the flask. What do you observe after adding the drop of ink or potassium permanganate? Can you observe that the liquids also diffuse into each other like gases? How much time does it take to take the color to spread evenly through the water? What do you conclude from this activity? Activity 6. Observing the diffusion of particles of solids into liquids. Take a beaker full of water and add few crystals of potassium permanganate to it and observe the changes. Repeat the experiment with crystals of copper sulfate. Do you observe diffusion? Is it faster or slower than that observed in other two activities? From activity 4 and 5, 6, it is clear that solids and liquids diffuse into liquids and gases diffuses into gases. Certain gases from the atmosphere, particularly oxygen and carbon dioxide, diffuse and dissolve into water and support the survival of aquatic animals and plants. Diffusion, therefore, is a very important process for living things. During respiration, oxygen diffuses from lungs into blood. Carbon dioxide diffuses from blood into lungs. Solids, liquids and gases diffuses into liquids and rate of diffusion of gases is higher than that of solids or liquids. Diffusion of two gases. Lab activity. Aim to observe the speed of diffusion of two gases. Material required. Long glass tube with scale, liquid ammonia, hydrochloric acid, pieces of cotton, 2 rubber corks and pair of tongs. Note: teacher should take care of handling hydrochloric acid and prevent the children from touching the acid. Procedure: take a 1 meter long narrow glass tube. Take 2 pieces of cotton. Soak one in hydrochloric acid solution and other in ammonia solution. Insert them separately at two ends of the tube with help of tongs. At the same time, close the ends of the glass tube with rubber cork and observe. The hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen chloride gas and ammonia solution gives off ammonia gas. Both gases react together to form white fumes of ammonium chloride. Observe the white ring in the tube due to formation of ammonium chloride. Explain. How did the two gases travel along the tube? Which gas travel faster? Do this. So far you have studied some properties that can be used to distinguish between solids, liquids and gases. Fill the following table based on your knowledge. Property: solid, liquid, gas. Property: shape. Solid, fixed. Volume, fixed. Compressibility of the solid, liquid and gas. Diffusion of solid, liquid and gas, and compressibility of solid, liquid and gas, volume of solid, liquid and gas, and shape of solid, liquid and gas. Can matter change its state? We started our discussing by recalling that water exists in 3 states. You must have seen many other materials that can exist in a different states. For example, coconut oil is usually liquid, but on cooling it becomes solid. Camphor is also solid, but if we leave it in open air for some time, it directly changes into gas. You may have seen moth or naphthalene balls being placed in the clothes. The smell remains for some time even when the balls disappear. This is because the moth balls have changed into solid state to gaseous state. But there are some substances that change directly from solid state to gaseous state and vice versa without passing through the liquid state. We have read about sublimation, which is one such change. Solids, liquid, and gases are states of matter, but you need to think about why are the properties of same matter different in different states? When does water change into ice and then into vapor? Why do gases diffuse faster than solids or liquids? Scientists have tried to explain these facts by examining the physical nature of matter. What is matter made up of? All matter is made up of very tiny particles. This looks as a simple statement, but it is very difficult to explain and understand about matter. For this, we need more details about the particles and their arrangement inside various forms of matter. Activity 7. How small are the particles of matter? Take a beaker with water and add 1 or 2 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in water. What color do you observe? Now take out approximately 10 milliliter of this solution and add it to 90 ml of clear water in another beaker. What does happen into the color of water in second beaker? So this is the end, guys. We read till page number 6 and 5 and 6 we have read. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more notifications about my videos. Thank you and bye bye.